guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be transforming into Blossom. That is why I have these contacts in. I do have my base on, so I have primer, foundation, concealer, powder on, and a little bit of contour. I am actually going to be using the Powerpuff Girls blush for Blossom because it's the Fighting Crime one and it's very pink, so I feel like this is the one for her. I don't know. I don't think Buttercup would wear this, and I'm not sure Bubbles would like it very much either because it's very pink. But I feel like Blossom would love it. So I'm gonna do this blush for Blossom. It is very pink. I like it. And we're just gonna get this on here. We're just jumping right in to her look because I'm super excited to do hers. As you guys, if you've watched the other two videos, you know by now she's my favorite. Always was. Probably always will be. I don't know why, because she's pink and we're both natural redheads and my hair color is pink and my hair was red. So I guess we were the most alike, even though my hair did change to more of a strawberry blonde. I will include, I think, a side-by-side picture of me as a little like baby human to me like with the kind of Blossom vibes. So this is the blush. It's very pink. I love it. It's very intense. And then I'm gonna go in with a pink highlight. And we're just gonna pop that right on the top and just give it a little shimmery sparkle, you know, on the nose and then through the bridge. And obviously, I always have to put like 12 pounds of it on for some reason. Probably because I just love highlight. It's my favorite. Now I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this brow gel. It's the color Taupe. And I'm just gonna lightly brush into my eyebrows with it. I can't believe this is gonna be the last video. I am debating doing the fourth Powerpuff Girl because she's so cute with her blue hair. I wish they would do like a pink haired one and a purple haired one and a green haired one. Oh my goodness, that'd be so cute. Just add in like 10 more Powerpuff Girls while we're at it. Just make them the Sailor Scouts but Powerpuff form. Man, so that is the brow, like tinted stuff. Then I'm just taking a pencil, giving my eyebrows a little bit more definition. So I'm taking like 12 years putting these on. Anyways, that's the eyebrows. Now we're gonna go into the beautiful Powerpuff Girl palette. And this is all the colors. I'm going to mostly be using this row, but I think I'm gonna go into this one a little bit because it's kind of all pink over here. So I feel like you can go a little crazier. It's like a reddish pink. I don't know. But I'm going to base my eyes with the Professor Utonium. I have done this in all of them because it, again, is the closest to a like white-ish base. Because I usually do a white eyeshadow base on my eyes, but the one in this is very like thick. So this one's like nice and smooth, and it's the closest to like a lighter, like neutral-ish base color, in my opinion. I would prefer the white one if it wasn't so like chunky glitter, but it is. So alright, so the base is on. I think I'm going to go in with the Pokey Oaks in the crease. So instead of it being like the super bright, I think I'm going to go in with this into the crease. Okay, so we're gonna go with Pokey Oaks with a fluffy brush, and it's cute, has a little flower in it. Alright, so we're just gonna pop that in. Ooh, that's pretty. So we're just gonna kind of buff it out a little bit. Oh man, I love this color actually a lot. It's kind of like a darker, not really dark, it's kind of like a lighter mauve. That's a good color, it's so pretty. So we're just blending it out, building it up, doing the other side. I guess I'm pushing it real far out on that one. A little too far, but it'll probably make sense once I put my wings on, since I always accidentally make them too big. But that is that color. It's really pretty. This is such a good like crease color. It's not too dramatic, but it's got enough pigment in it that it's like fun, I think. And yeah, I actually really like this color a lot. So this will probably be a go-to for me for other looks eventually. Next, I think I'm gonna go in with Girls Rock, which is this like orangey color, and I'm just gonna put that in the like outer corner crease, just a little bit to give it a little pop. And wow, does that give it a pop. Like, look at that pop. It's pretty colorful. We're just gonna pop that over here as well. Kind of like the outer mid. And I'm kind of just gonna blend it up into the side a little bit. So that's what that looks like. It's actually super cute. I really like that color too. I like all the pinks, but I like all the greens too, but all these like reddish pinks are actually really cute too. Okay, so now I think I'm gonna go in with the Fashionistas, which is that super intense pink, and I am going to put it on the outer middle corner area. Holy pink. Wow, you guys see that? That is some pink. Wow, that's amazing. Holy crap. There's a good amount of fallout with this though, so be careful because this is so pigmented. Wow, I need like a fluffy brush to brush that away so we don't get too much pink under that eyeball. Wow. Do you guys see that pink? That is like on a whole nother level. It's so pretty though. That's amazing. Okay, now I think I'm gonna go in with Frenemy, which is this like kind of pinky, orangey, reddy pink color. Yeah, it's kind of all the mixes of that. And I'm just going to put that on the like inner corner here and kind of help blend that out a little bit too. That very bright pink, I'm just gonna brush kind of into the middle over it. And do it to the other side. That's what that looks like so far. I like it. It's very like dramatically bold soft. I don't know if that makes any sense, but I think it looks really cute. So now I'm gonna go in with my first brush, and I'm just gonna use that sparkly thick white stuff, and I'm just gonna put a little bit by the eyebrows. Don't get too much of it in my eyebrows though, because it does like shed a little bit of stuff. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my first brush and my first color and just kind of like buff out everything a little bit. And then I think I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush. I'm just gonna take that real thick white one again and kind of put it on the inner corner just to give it a little bit of a highlight. Okay, so I think that is the final eyeshadow look. So now I'm going to add my wings. I actually really like these colors all together, they're super cute. This hot pink actually reminds me of Sugar Pill Cosmetics. It's the first like hot pink eyeshadow I ever owned, and it was like insanely pigmented, so this is a lot like that. Okay, so we have one eye wing on. Let's get the other one. These ended up being super long. I always make really long wings. I try to make smaller ones, it's just, I don't know why I can't do it. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the color. These ones are pretty far out already though, which is good, because they already pretty much touch. I'm just putting a teeny bit more in. Okay, so that is what that looks like so far. Super cute. Now we're gonna pop some mascara on. So we got some mascara on. Now I'm gonna put some lip liner on, draw my lips on, glue onto my lashes, and then transform. lip liner is on. I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild Rebel Rose color for my lips. So it's kind of like a dusty pink, I think. I've never used it, so we're about to find out. Yeah, it's a super cute mauve. Okay, now I'm gonna draw out with my little lip brush. So that's my lip. Now I just have to glue on my eyelashes and transform. So I'm gonna do that off camera because my camera is about to die. So I'm gonna charge it for a second and I will be back as Blossom. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is what I think Blossom would look like as a grown-up. I did make this bow. I crocheted it myself. I'm obsessed. And my natural hair color was actually really close to this when I was a little girl. But this is what I think Blossom would look like. She'd be very, like, you know, glamorous with velvet and puffy sleeves and, you know, obviously still wearing her big bow, but not maybe so tall, maybe a little more like this, or who knows, she could be wearing a small bow. I don't know. But I definitely think she would have kept her long hair because she has beautiful long hair, so yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. I hope you guys like this look. It was super fun to create, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know who your favorite Powerpuff Girl is. Mine is Blossom. She's, in my opinion, the cutest, but that's just me, and I'm sure everyone likes whoever. And don't forget to subscribe if you would like to. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!